guys, so just an update. I am about to get my braces off in 2 days. Today is Monday, September 28th, 2015. I will be getting them off on the 30th. I'm really excited. I've been wearing them for quite a while now, since April 2014. It's been almost 42 weeks since my surgery. It will be on the day that I get my braces off. So a little bit over 10 months since I had my surgery. I am aligned and as straight as the orthodontist wants my teeth to be, and I'm happy with it too. For the first time ever, I can close my teeth and bite something as thin as a piece of paper and tear it. So that's exciting for me. The thing that I'm still doing, I'm still wearing rubber bands, not full time anymore, but I wear them for 12 hours a day. I have the plain colored ones, and I also have the multicolored ones. I don't know if you remember from before. So there's that. I've come a long way since the beginning where I had to use that special hook to get them on. Now I can just pop them on as easy as that. And pop them off. So I'm excited to finally have the smile that I always wanted, and I will update you the day that I get them off, but that's all I have for now. So thanks for watching. Bye.